In this video, we'll learn how to rotate clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have a clip placed on the timeline and select the clip. The first method is using the Properties panel. With the clip selected, go to the Properties panel on the right side. Under the Video section, you'll find the Rotation control. By default, rotation is set to 0 degrees. Increase or decrease this value to rotate the clip clockwise or counterclockwise. Small adjustments are perfect for fixing slightly tilted footage, while larger values can be used for creative effects. The second method is using on-screen controls. With the clip still selected, double-click the video in the program monitor. You'll see a bounding box appear around the clip. Move your cursor near the edges or corners of the bounding box until you see the rotate cursor. You click and drag to rotate the clip visually. This method is very intuitive because you can rotate the clip while seeing the result in real time. Both methods do the same thing. The Properties panel gives you precise control. The program monitor controls are faster and more visual. And that's it. You now know how to rotate clips using both methods in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.